Hi everyone, welcome back to SC WebTech. Today's session is all about how to create an instance in AWS. What is meant by instance? Instance is nothing but it's a server. So for launching any server, what are the requirements that must be satisfied? In general language, that to launch any server, we require that operating system and system configuration, next storage and network. So but in AWS terminology we use AMI, that is nothing but operating system is inbuilt in AMI, that is Amazon Machine Image. So that it is clear, AMI contains operating system. And system configuration. System configuration is nothing but instance configuration, that it consists of how many processors does it have and what's its RAM size. Okay, and next storage. In AWS the storage we are using in terminology is volume. And network, in AWS terminology we use VPC. VPC is nothing but virtual private cloud. Okay, so these are the main things to launch an instance. So we can see now how to launch an instance. Please log into the AWS account with your credentials and click on services and then click on EC2. So if you see here, click on instances. These are my previous instances, so that anyway I am terminating this. Okay. So to launch a new machine, click on launch instance. So here I am launching a machine, Amazon Linux machine. So see here, first step, what is the first step to launch an instance? Choose an AMI, that is nothing but Amazon Machine Image. So what does AMI contains? Operating system. So select this AMI, operating system we have selected to launch an instance, and later we have to choose instance type. Instance type, what does the instance type consist of? It consists of processors and along with RAM. Okay, here we are selecting T2.micro. Why? Because it is the free service which AWS is giving free for 1 year. Next, go to configure instance details. So in configure instance details, number of instances that we are launching is 1. And next, what is the network that we are choosing? So here network is called as VPC. So I will tell you VPC classes later, but by default you select the VPC, default VPC. Okay. So go to next, add storage. Here we are having 8 GB size, so keep it as default. Add tags and security groups. We can create a new security group, or else we can add the select an existing security group also. Here I am creating a new security group. So review and launch. So here are the all details, that AMI which we have added and the instance type, that is nothing but server configuration that we have added, and security groups. Okay, and storage details and tags details, instance details, all are here. So click on launch. So to log in into this instance we need a key, we need a password, right? So in that way here we are creating a key. So I am creating a new key pair. I am giving a name for AWS. So download this key pair. Why? Because if you want to use this instance, you need this key. To log in into that machine, this password, this PEM file, it is downloaded with .pem extension, PEM extension. So this file is required for you to log in into this particular machine. So click on launch instance. So the instance is being ready. So click on view instances. See here, we have created this instance. This instance is in pending state. Okay. Now refresh this. If you refresh this page, please don't refresh here. Why? Because the total page will be refreshed. So only refresh here, so that only the instances will be refreshed. Okay. So this is the way to create an machine. Here I am creating AWS instance. I am giving name in this way, save. So I have created this instance now itself. Okay, it is in the state of running. Okay, so this is the way how you have to create an instance. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you like my video, please like, comment and share. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.